Alright. I got it on peak 10 low. Just the radio. Hello, hello, hello. Radio ain't putting out squat hardly, so let's try the amp. Let's go off of there, 250. Alright. Hello, hello. Now, let's see what we're doing here. It ain't good as most of you fellas, so we're gonna try it and see. Hello, hello. Alright. Flip that one over and see what happens. Alright, I go up here, click that one off. Yeah. Alright. Go to 500 and see what's going on here. Uh-oh. I turned it up. Hello, hello, hello. Get that one back on. Hello, hello. Kick it back off. Hello, hello. Alright. I don't know what all that means, but I'll get there one of these days. I'll figure it out. You see, I got my little Bulldog, got my little Aesthetic 700, and guess what, fellas? I got my Dosy watch. I like them all, and I do run them all at times. Alright, let me see if I can upload this thing and the other one. Say goodbye.